Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hi there. Let me show you how to edit the product template content video box. First of all, open Canva in your browser, or you can open the template link that we give you when you buy the content video box product.
Select the tips template you want. There are 3 full animation sizes and 2 static sizes. Select the one you want to use, then click on the template. All templates are fully editable from text, background, to vector. Edit the background color according to what you want. Then edit the vector color according to what you want. Change the text according to what you want. Just double-click on the text you want to change. Then type your text. Click at the bottom where it says duration. Then you will see the duration of each slide. You can set the duration of each slide according to what you want. Switch to slide 2. just like on the first slide. You can change the text, background color and vector colors according to what you want. Now to change the vector, click on the Elements section. Search for vector elements that relate to the theme of your tips. Drag and drop the vectors you want onto your template. Click the Animation section, then select the type of animation you want. When finished, click Share in the top right corner. Select MP for format, then click Download. Wait for the rendering process to complete and see the results. That's all for this video tutorial, and thank you for watching.